How to use Walmart promo codes. In this video, I will show you how can you easily use promo codes in Walmart application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, you need to open Google application in your mobile device and in the search bar, type for Walmart promo codes. Once you do so, simply hit the search icon. After that, in the results, you will see a lot of websites providing you free promo codes to get discount in Walmart. Simply choose any one of the website. Inside the website, you will see a lot of offers. Choose any one which you think is suitable for your shopping in Walmart and click on Get. Then after you will see this code, you simply need to choose the option of Copy. And now if you want to use the discount right at the moment, simply choose the option of Visit Store and then Walmart application will automatically open in your device and you can use that code to get a good discount. So that's it. That is how easily you can use promo codes on Walmart. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.